Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we're gonna analyze how Tesla is doing, which, spoiler alert, it's doing absolutely nothing. Since yesterday, I told you guys yesterday that Tesla did a doji candlestick pattern, which means uncertainty. Tesla's movements are very uncertain, investors are extremely cautious on Tesla, so okay, this is why we see that boring candlestick over here. And today we see another quite boring candlestick pattern. If you look in the 1 hour chart, we are still moving sideways. However, it is very important to notice how Tesla can't break 685. See this black line over here? It was a support level on June 23 and this point has been working as a resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times today. So yes, to me, 685 is indeed the most important key point for us to analyze in Tesla right now. The 21 EMA, which is descending, by the way, it is below the 685 right now. And this indicator might work as a resistance level for us as well in the future. However, I'm not counting too much on that. We all know that during accumulations, during congestions, the EMA is usually useless for us. So I still believe the 685 is the key point for us in Tesla, while the 667, the 666 down here is the key support level for us. If we lose this support level again, I do believe we are gonna drop to fill the gap at 653 or potentially lower. It all depends on how Tesla is going to react next week. Regardless of to what side Tesla breaks, either the 685 or the 667, I do believe we're gonna see an intense movement in sequence, okay? However, in my humble opinion, sometimes you guys ask me to give my personal opinion, okay? Because I may just describe what's going on Tesla. I may describe some scenarios here in this channel, some structures we should keep our eyes open, and some strategies you could follow to whatever direction you believe Tesla is going to follow next. However, sometimes I think it is important to give my personal opinion on what's going to happen next. And my personal opinion, on a technical basis, I do believe we have more chances of doing an upside movement than bearish one, and my opinion relies on the indices over here. If you look at the S&P index, we dropped sharply. We retested the 61.80% Fibonacci's retracement, which we said it would do, and it feels like we found a support level at this point, and right now we are recovering nicely. In addition to this, we are breaking again the 3810 right now, triggering a pivot point, a bullish pivot point on the S&P. If the S&P loses again the 61.80% Fibonacci's retracement, which is at 3755, okay, my dear friends, now I believe Tesla and the indices are gonna turn bearish from here. But right now, at this moment, today, at this second, I believe the odds favor the bulls. And the Nasdaq index gives us a similar reading. We found a support level at 10.8K, filling this gap over here. Great. Extremely technical movement, by the way. Right now, today, it feels like we found a support level at the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement, and we are bouncing back up. The main challenge here is to break the 21 EMA. The S&P is already breaking its EMA, however, the Nasdaq doesn't. So we still must see it breaking the EMA, but since we have this bullish configuration right now, this possible bullish pivot point, finding support levels at the retracements, I do believe we have more chances of going up than going down on both indices, okay? And this is my technical opinion based on technical analysis, all right? So it's not necessarily my personal opinion. I am basing my opinion on what I see right now on these charts. Unless if we see the indices losing their 61.8% retracements, I will keep this position, okay? I will keep my personal opinion that we are gonna turn bullish right now. And meaning for Tesla, it seems we found a support level at 667 over here. And if we break the EMA, just like the Nasdaq, we gotta break the EMA. And most important of all, we gotta break 685. If we analyze the daily chart, in the daily chart, Tesla is dropping, but the volume is below the average. So we can't take this drop that seriously, okay? I am not saying that this drop isn't serious. I'm saying we can't take this drop that serious, okay? So I do believe the low volume, and we align all of this with how the indices are doing right now. I think we have more chances of upside potential, and I am perfectly aware that this is a bear trend, okay? It is still a bear trend on the indices. We still see lower highs, lower lows. We are below the EMA in the daily chart. We are below the EMA on the Nasdaq index as well. However, I like this pattern over here. I like how the indices are reacting, and I like the fact many of the things are also reacting just after they hit their support levels. Look at Amazon. Did a near perfect retest of the previous support level. Now it's going up. Apple is also trying to trigger a bullish pivot point. Nvidia is the only one here that is actually in a very shameful position, but the other companies are still quite good, okay? Microsoft is about to close at the EMA over here, so yes, I think the situation is still quite interesting for the bulls over here. However, let's keep our eyes open, because if Tesla loses 667 again, alright, we're gonna turn bearish all the way down, maybe $650, maybe even lower, $635. This is a real possibility. Either way, without confirmation, we can't assume anything, all right? Of course, I rather prefer to see Tesla going up from here, but I don't know, maybe you're gonna lose the support level, maybe not. Either way, just like Jess Livermore once said, gamblers, they try to predict what's going to happen next. Speculators, real traders, they wait for confirmation. So if you are bearish, the confirmation will come if we lose 667. If you are bullish, the confirmation will come if we break 685. Meanwhile, personally speaking, I am totally neutral in Tesla, okay? But I rather prefer to see bullish movement from here. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. You still didn't click on the like button, am I right? Are you still not my subscriber yet, am I right? What the hell are you waiting for? Remember, subscribe to this channel, click on the like button. After all, you are still here, right? You watched it so far, you probably like the content, so thank you very much, my dear friends. Have a great weekend and have a great holiday. Monday is a holiday, so no videos in this channel, but I will keep you guys updated every single day as usual when the market opens. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.